So when I finish the work every day, I want to come to rest at sofa and play some game, and yes, drink my tea, for which I needed a mini table, and we didn't have one. So I went ahead, designed and 3D printed this one. And it even takes a heavy laptop without any problems. 2 layers, kind of turtle shape down there. And this is all 3D printed except the carbon fiber rods, which are 22mm, by the way, in diameter. And now I have a table that I can drink tea or use for laptop, and maybe Irish Hadi can use it with their iPads.